Okay, I am right now heading over this way. I'm already working, and today we darkened the cave, so it's got some depth to it. I should say I am. We're burning, which means smoke gets in my eyes. And of course you see that I've done a little bit of faux finishes using both sponges and dry brush. And the master of plaster, Eugene Williamson, look at that work. Wow, beautiful. Beautiful work. So there is the rock, and we should have a water test using the actual pump this week. Give you an idea of some of the carving and the paint. And about, I guess about 8th of January, 10th of January, we started working on this. The first phase was to use compacted dirt, grit it out with rebar that we got from the docks, and of course there's the stone that rolled away, and there's the pool, the pond. I am going to go eat.